After brainstorming about what to record, I decided to show you a tool that I use quite often with my ESL students during our lessons. Please keep in mind that the tool that I'm going to show you today is for teaching English for non-natives, adults, teens, and kids. So the tool that I will share with you is this National Geographic Learning tool. This tool gives you a more interactive way to approach a textbook, and it works perfectly fine with one-on-one lessons or with a group, as it's really visual. So over here, we're going to see that we have different divisions. The book consists of 12 units. Therefore, if we click here, we're going to be able to go through the 16 units. As well, something that is really nice is that you can actually do the video activity, and you have here as well unit test. At the end of it, you're going to have as well the writing activities. All of these ones are going to be visual and will give you different type of activities where you can collaborate with your students. When we start here, you are going to be able to see student book and working book. Working book is more dedicated for homework, so today we are just going to concentrate in student book. Each unit has different type of divisions. You have 3 divisions. And what is so nice about this tool? The fact that it's really clearly divided for teachers and for students. Obviously, if you wanted to have a single page, you could do that. Or if, in my case, I prefer the double page, I prefer just to have it like this. So what is important and what is so useful about this tool? Easy. We have the possibility to include audio, exercises with answers, where students could actually edit, or they could give you the answer and then you can check if it's correct or incorrect, or you could instantly show them one individual answer or show all of them at the same time. Apart from that, you have as well videos that will be helpful, especially to do in demo for speaking activities. And at the same time, you have hyperlinks that will take you to the grammar reference or specifically to where the book wants you to redirect for students to do activities or to just read a little bit more about the grammar that you're covering. If you go back again to the lesson, instantly it will redirect you to the main page. If that is not what you want, you have as well here in the toolbar, you have the number paging. So you can just enter there the page that you want to be redirected to. As well, one of the things that is really good about this is that here we have this toolbar. In the toolbar, you could actually either zoom in, zoom out. This one is going to be, unfortunately, in the latter part. So you could do it zoom in as much as you want or double click to zoom in. And then zoom out, you just click here. As well, you have a highlighter. Similar to other tools, you are going to have the highlighter, you're going to have a pen, and you're going to have an eraser. As well, if you want to highlight something specifically and you don't want to erase or waste your time erasing, every single time you pass to a different page, the page will go back again to its main. It will just reset. Another thing that is going to be useful is timer, especially if you want to do different type of activities with time. If it's a reading, if it's a speaking activity, it would just be really handy. Additional to that, you have over here a zoom in. For example, if you want to highlight something, then you can all look at it. And additional to that, if you want to cover some answers or some part of the text, you can go ahead and use the window slide. You will create the window slide. As soon as you set it, it will just instantly block the text that you don't want students to cover. You just need to click for them to notice or click again for it to disappear.